PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 17th day of September. Boy, feels good out today. Many spots are down in the 50s this morning, and it looks like we're going to stay nice, quiet, comfortable for the foreseeable future. Let's go to some Skycam images around the network early this morning. We'll begin with our Skycam in Tuscaloosa, looking back off to the east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. From Birmingham, there's a look at the view from the Daniel Building looking south. And way down south, there's our Gulf Shore Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. 4 years ago today, that place was just torn up. Ivan had come through, and it was a big, big mess down there. But our friends can be thankful for a nice, quiet, peaceful morning. On the water vapor satellite shot this morning, cold polar vortex over Hudson Bay in eastern Canada. And around here, you can see those clouds have pushed on to the east, and it looks like we'll enjoy a beautiful day today. Sunny and comfortable. Temperatures this morning are looking good. These are observations. Looks like those are taken at 4 o'clock this morning. At that point, we've got 50s and a few low 60s around here. But look at the numbers up north. I actually see a 19 up on the board for the first time in a long time up in northern Canada. It's getting cold up there. And again, we'll expect temperatures just really nice here for the next 5 days. And boy, it looks dry now. This is the expected rain valid through Sunday evening. Nothing, and I think that's right. All along, we've kind of kept rain out of the forecast for the weekend, and I think that's a good call. And the confidence in that is higher. In fact, I don't think we see rain for the next 7 days. And the tropics are quiet. One little wave there east of the Leeward Islands, but upper air winds are harsh, and tropical storm development is not expected for the next several days. Here's the GFS, the OZ run. You can see that polar vortex up over Canada. The westerlies up north. Around here, the winds aloft are fairly light. Down below that, the air is dry, so it looks like a sunny day with low 80s today. Same deal tomorrow. There is moisture over the Florida Peninsula in South Georgia, but that will not impact us. Friday, we've got kind of a wedge-looking thing coming down, the big surface high over the coast of Maine. And again, we'll have to watch for maybe a few clouds with that, maybe temperatures backing down a few degrees, but at this point, we're not going to mention any chance of rain, even though there's a sliver of moisture over southwest Alabama. Saturday now looks dry as a bone, as does Sunday. So the weekend looks wonderful for football or anything else. And Monday of next week, dry. Tuesday of next week, dry. Same deal. Look at that big high, 1,038 millibar high. Over New England, that's nice and cool, and again, some of that maybe coming down the mountains, slipping in here from the east. So with these wedge fronts from time to time, there could be a few clouds, but again, we just don't see any significant rain. Wednesday of next week, look at the trough out west. And down below that, that looks like maybe a first good snowstorm of the season for the northern Rockies. But around here, same deal, dry. Let's go to October 2nd. This is the end of the forecast period, and by golly, that nice cold trough we saw yesterday, it's gone. But that's what happens in voodoo land. We're just looking for trends, and there's not really an identifiable trend because every model run looks different. But on this one, that would not suggest a flood of cooler air to get us in the 40s. But again, that might change the next time we look at it. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.